This video is for Absolute Mechanical. Hey, my name is Galia, and in this video I'm going to show you 3 things you can do today to help bring in more customers to your business. So by the end of this video you liked what you heard, shoot me a message back and we can chat. If not, it's okay. So now let me show 3 things that will set your company above your competition. The first thing I want to go over is the content. You guys need to make sure you have on your homepage more than 1500 content, and you definitely need to put more here. I mean, like, upgrade your website. Also need to be right keywords, and the pictures need to be saved in a correct way as well. The second thing I want to talk about is citation. So if you go on Google, we're going to see the Google guaranteed ads. Then you're going to see these ads, normal one that we used to see. But now in 2020, a lot of people have ad blockers and it's 50-50. Some people can see, some not. And if you go here, we're going to see the MacBack. So what is a citation? Is essentially your business name, address, and phone number listed in various directories all throughout the web. It's basically, to put it simply, yellow pages, Facebook, LinkedIn, any of those places online that allow business owners to add their business details and services with their would be considered like a directory or business directory listing. And in order to rank high on these maps here, you need to make sure that you are looking at your competition's directory listing and seeing what they are currently being listed in. And you want to try and go out and get yourself listed in there as well. But you don't want to just stop that, whatever your competition has. You want to get that they have, and then you want to add a little bit more, so that way you are completely dominating them in that space, and that will help you rank well here in the search. Now we already covered content and citation. Last thing I want to cover is backlinks, and so that has a lot to do with this organic section down here. And if you go here, we're going to see the Yelp, and we're going to see expertise, we're going to see the home advisors. So these are a lot of big national companies that are taken up the top of the page. Way backlinks work, all it means is that there is a website out there that has a link to your website, and that link to your website could potentially bring some traffic from that other website. So backlinks are not always created equal. So if you have, for example, an ice cream shop that had sent link to you, you did some work for them and you did a good job and they sent you link, but their whole website's all about ice cream shops and ice cream stuff, it's not gonna do it as much good for you as, let's say, another HVAC company. A lot more effective when you have a relative site linking to you. That's going to be a little bit more powerful because it's more unique and relevant to your industry. So looking at one of my tools here, it's called Ahrefs, and it's not 100% accurate, but it's one of these companies that buys data from Google, and so it gives me an idea of what's working well for you and what's working well for your competitions as well. As I see here, you have 25 referring domains. That brings you more than 1,000 backlinks, which is getting you getting found for 364. The keywords, now those keywords, you're getting 19.3 the organic traffic. Let's say these competitors here, see they have 826 referring domain, and they that brings them more than 4,200 backlinks, and which is getting them found for 7,800 organic keywords. And out of those keywords, they're getting more than 18,000 people on average to their site each month. It's very doable, and to boost those numbers, and we specialize in that. So that's pretty much it what I had today, and I hope this video had been educational for you. If you would like to know more about how NYC marketers can help grow your business online, please give us a call and we can chat. If not, no worries, enjoy the free tips I've given today. If you could just give me some feedback on this video and let me know how I did. And thanks again, and have a great day.